Hello everybody, CJ Compton here at Dexter, Chelsea Road. Here just outside of Chelsea, Michigan. We have a train coming, check it out, roll it. This is a westbound train. This is Amtrak number 353. When I looked on the Amtrak train tracker, it showed it on the other side of Ann Arbor. Or it actually showed it leaving Ann Arbor, which it has left already though. It's just that the train tracker does not update for every 10 or 20 minutes. So I don't trust the tracker sometimes. And Amtrak number 350 is next, and there might be a Norfolk Southern local train shortly after. But anyway, let's worry about this train that is coming right now. But anyway, here it comes. Roll it. And the signal is now nothing but red signals now. There was a top green signal, and that is for the main track before Amtrak went through. Anyway, that was Amtrak number 353. Amtrak number 353 starts out in Pontiac, Michigan, heads west to Chicago, Illinois, where it terminates at the Chicago Union Station. All on this Monday, February 16th of 2026, from CJ Compton on YouTube. If you haven't already, subscribe to my YouTube channel and give my videos a thumbs up. That will help my channel out a lot. Amtrak number 350 is next. But until then, I guess that's it. So let's roll it. I hope you all enjoyed. And that is it.